how to fix GTA 5 crash after Rockstar logo easy and quick. It's easy. All you need to do, right click on your GTA 5, go to properties, go to compatibility, and then go to change settings for all users, enable those two options, and then select your Windows. If you have Windows 10, just select Windows 8 and click OK, and then OK again. After that, go to settings here and then go to privacy, scroll down until you find background apps, and here turn it off. Now go to system, scroll down, go to system, go to notifications, turn it off, and now go back, go to gaming, turn Xbox game bar, turn it off, and go to game mode, turn it on, and now go to graphics settings. Then just turn on hardware accelerated and click browse, search for GTA 5 folder, and here we'll find GTA 5, click on it, and click on it here, go to options, click save, select high performance and click save. Now close it and then type here device manager, click on it, go to display adapters, and once you're here, right click on your GPU, click update driver, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Now make sure your driver is updated. Then all you need to do now just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just open task manager and close all the applications that you don't need. And that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.